Today in class, we're going to cover 9.NPA.2.1 content. This content is all about basically the different types of vegetarians and the vegetarian diets that people may choose due to many different things, like the way they feel about animals, whether they like the taste of animals, whether they like the way that animals are handled. That is all a personal choice, of course, but this is all about specifically a vegetarian diet. And we have a PowerPoint that goes with it, and we'll go ahead and get started with that. And so, of course, this is making sure it's going to follow having a healthy plan for a vegetarian. And of course, all the different types of vegetarians that we're going to go over is first is a vegan, and they don't eat any kind of animal products or byproducts. So like they're not going to eat eggs, they're not going to have any dairy because it's a animal product. A lacto-vegetarian eats the vegan diet but also eats dairy products. A lacto-ovo-vegetarian excludes red meat, white meat, and fish. They eat eggs and all dairy products, and typically this is the most common vegetarian diet. And then you have someone that is considered a semi-vegetarian because they eat chicken, fish, and dairy products, but they're not going to eat any kind of red meat. The reasons why somebody might become a vegetarian is, of course, according to Nutrition Review, vegetarians weigh about 4 to 20% less than meat eaters. Fruits and vegetables are typically your best sources for vitamins and minerals. Also, they avoid hormones and other additives found in most meat products. And foods rich in fiber will help you feel full faster and for longer. And of course, some people may have a moral objection to the treatment of livestock, or someone may have a religious belief of why they do or do not eat meat. And of course, cautions for vegetarians, of course, sometimes they struggle to find variety, so you got to make sure you eat from different food groups, even from all the food groups. Protein, calcium, iron, and B12 are the most common nutrients that are lacking in a vegetarian diet because these are most commonly found in the meats. And of course, when eating in restaurants, make sure broths do not contain meat products, and of course, food is cooked on a clean surface. This list right here is going to talk about what foods a vegan, a lacto-vegetarian, a lacto-ovo-vegetarian, and a semi-vegetarian can eat. You're going to want to refer back to this slide for your assignment that goes along with this objective, because basically this will be a roadmap to helping you get a 100 for this assignment. So vegans, of course, can have soy products, tofu, tempeh, all fruits and all vegetables, legumes, rice, cereal, and of course bread that's made without eggs or milk. And of course, you can move over to the lacto-vegetarian. You're going to notice that they can also have everything that the vegan has, but of course milk and milk products and bread, of course, because they can have the eggs and everything else, or bread that has milk and the milk products in it. And then a lacto-ovo-vegetarian, of course, once again, everything that a vegan and a lacto-vegetarian can have, but adding in the actual egg. And then a semi-vegetarian, of course, everything that the vegan, lacto-vegetarian, and lacto-ovo-vegetarian can eat, with adding in like turkey, chicken, and fish. Like I said, you're going to want to refer back to this for your worksheet, so make sure you pull this PowerPoint up when you are doing your assignment. And of course, these are just some memes and stuff for vegetarians, and if you choose to be a vegetarian, just make sure you are getting the right nutrition and the proper all food from all the food groups, and getting still the things that you need. Of course, this covers the information for this content, super short. You need to complete the worksheet that goes with this. Like I said, you're going to want to use this slide, foods that may be eaten from. This will help you significantly, basically get a 100 for your worksheet. If you have any questions, please let me know.